Today's video I'm going to show you how to replace or install the ink cartridges in your HP NY Photo 7855 printer. So switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber by lifting it from both sides or one side. Go to the chamber, go to the ink cartridge chamber, press the ink cartridge down. It will remove the ink cartridges. So take it out. Install the new ink cartridge, simply place it here and then push it with your thumb. You will hear a lock sound once you push it in. Close the ink cartridge chamber door by pressing it down and check on the display panel if there is any error or any problem. And now you can use it for printing. Thanks for watching.